Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the Uncle Iroh Advice Channel. Today I'll be showing you my favorite way to make jasmine tea. Jasmine tea has a long history. It is known for its very nice floral scent. The texture is very smooth in the mouth. Of course, it has a very floral aroma, but it tastes like vanilla rice pudding too. Traditionally, jasmine tea is made with green tea leaves, but white tea works just as well. The tea leaves are picked in spring, while the jasmine flowers are picked in summer. The flowers are carefully laid over the tea leaves to allow their fragrance to be absorbed. This process is repeated multiple times. There are even jasmine teas rolled into small pearls. Today, I'll be using white jasmine dragon pearls. You'll need about 20 pearls for 100 milliliters of water. I prefer using a gaiwan for brewing, a Gong bay, and a small teacup. If you don't have a gaiwan, a small porcelain or glass teapot will work just fine. Before brewing, it is important to warm up your teaware by rinsing it with hot water. This helps maintain the temperature and enhance the flavors. Add your tea to the gaiwan or teapot and enjoy the aroma of the leaves. Now, rinse the tea leaves with hot water to awaken their flavors. Now is the perfect time to make tea. Pour hot water over the tea leaves. Brew for about 25 seconds on the first infusion. Then increase brew time with each subsequent steep. A good jasmine tea can be brewed up to 5 times. The tea is ready. Be mindful of where you buy your tea. Many jasmine teas today use artificial flavors. I recommend finding a trusted tea seller online. Enjoy your tea, friends.